Hello YouTube, been a little while because of lockdown. Today I'm going to do a little bit of an improvement on the van. This has been a very good cooker. It takes the gas canisters and you have to carry a lot of them around. So what I'm going to do is upgrade to this cooker, which takes a small gas bottle. Needs a bit of a clean. It's got 2 burners and a grill, and believe it or not, it's actually smaller than that one. And plus, when it's not in use, I can close it down and have a bit of surface area to use. The gas bottle's going to sit in there. There is a vent at the back there. The doors keep shutting in the wind. Yeah, there is a vent at the back there, which is an equalisation vent, so I can use that as a dropout vent in case of a gas leak. Yeah, so let's talk more action. Look at the mess under there. Time for a clean. Nice clean worktop. Right, pipe's going down there, the regulator's going to go down there and meet the bottle underneath. Now, it's got these rubber feet on. I don't know if you can see that. So I'm going to have to drill holes through the rubber feet and screw down through the rubber feet so it's still got the air gap underneath. Let's get to that then. hole all the way through. Is too long. Perfect. Need a bigger hole. First time I said that. Right, I'm going to do this down here because it's hold it with pliers. It's better. Get it into position. Now we do this one. There we go, installed. Alright, that's the cooker installed. Had a clean. Now when I'm not using it, I can close it up and have room up on there. And I'll get a splashback as well. Right, let's rig the gas up and give it a test. Right, there's the cooker installed. It's had a bit of a clean. The gas bottle's installed under there. Just knock up some soapy water. Test. We haven't got no leaks on the bottle. No bubbles, no leaks. Let's turn it on and give it a test then. I don't know if you can see that flame on camera. It's hard to see just with the eye, but yeah, she's all working. Nice. You have to light the grill with a lighter. Let's test this one. Yep, straight away. And that is the cooker all installed. You want to build a storage compartment here, which sits behind this cushion, comes across here, and a shelf coming from here across here, so I can stuff the sleeping bag up the top there. I shall get on them pretty soon. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. More videos are on their way, and I'll see you on the next one.